so great, so nice music. Mandy was on board. It was fantastic.
It's the best party I've ever been here.
It's actually been incredible. I actually did not think that it could be as exciting and what it was. I came here with like obviously big expectations and they just blew out the water this year. It was my summer of my life. I love it.
I'm so good. It's so amazing being here on this boat.
The people, Ibiza Beach are nice and the nice promoters, nice bars. Sabrina is awesome. The boat is awesome. Being on the boat is just incredible. Nice weather.
I'm really fine. I'm arrived yesterday on the island and it's really crazy party here.
We had like a wonderful season to be with all the label friends and a lot of artists, and you know, like to spend real time with them on the island, and to have, normally you only see each other in the club, but here you have a little bit time like being on a boat and like be outside of the club situation. So no, it was a good summer.
The season was really amazing. We had a big collaboration with Get Physical, so we did a collaboration and privilege with them for Mr. Blue Club. We had them all on the boat as well on the Wednesday, directly as an after party. So Mandy was there, Antim was there, Boris Werner was there, Lauhaus, Siopis. I was overwhelmed with it. Our closing party, closing boat, amazing.